I need to quit calling myself lucky here. We'll just call this news. Therapeutic news is back. Huge news. I did the unboxing of the Oud Bespoke by Rasei. You guys spoke, man. This channel is becoming a lot of fun when we do stuff like this. You guys went and bombarded him with messages. His words, we're getting an Oud perfume from Rasei Fort. He let me announce it, so I'm letting you guys know first. We're doing something here. Perfumers are listening. Master blender taking on Oud. I can't wait. Rasei, this is obviously, I mean, he'll get as close to this as he can, but this is, the oils aren't available. The 1982 Ensar Oud Santal just isn't available. I'll spray one on to go today too. I have it on my wrist. Oh my gosh, just this sweet leather. It's like a natural version of headed in the direction of Tuscan leather, but so much more blooming, so much more life, so much more vitality. Not the raspberry with it, just that leather. Amazing, amazing. Guys, Rasei Fort, Oud perfume. Thanks, Rasei. I don't know how to do this. This is new. Brand new breaking news. And I guess in the comments, just overload Rasei with ideas. What everybody would like to see of him. I would like to see him go into some of his distiller friends and have him open up the cabinet that isn't available to the public and just let him blend something special for us, you know, and hopefully he can make the batch big enough. I'm sure it'll go quick, but we're getting it. Rasei Fort's Oud perfume. What do you guys think about that? Therapeutic news. I'm Brandon. Love you guys. Be blessed.